I do talk a lot about Michael Saylor. Look, he's not my, mentor or idol or whatever. I'm too old. I'm older than him probably. But Michael Saylor, gambler or a genius, well, everybody has an opinion on it. He's the hottest commodity out there going. And what is he doing? What has he been doing? Well, he just announced that he's going to, in January sometime this year, well, now, coming up, now he's going to offer $2 billion in perpetual preferred stocks. He announced this already. He's trying to get authorization for his shareholders to increase the common shares to 10.3 billion shares from 330 million shares. I'm pretty sure he'll get the authorization because he owns 49.6% of the voting stock. All he has to do is, find somebody to push him over 50. That looks like it's already in the bag. But he also announced that he's increasing the authorization for the shares of preferred stock from 5 million to 1 billion shares. I mean, he's all in. I did a really cool video about it. Michael Saylor is all in. It got like a bunch of views on it. But have you guys seen the movie Queen's Gambit? It was one of my favorite movies. Okay. So I call this now, and I saw this article, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute, this is Michael Saylor's Bitcoin Gambit, right? Look, this is either going to work wonderfully well, or this is going to work horribly bad. I personally do not tell anything, to anybody that should trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin should not be traded. Bitcoin is not to be traded. A lot of people do. I'm against it. You buy it, you put it in your cold storage, that's it. You buy it again. If it goes down, you buy it, dollar cost average it. But Michael Saylor is not doing that. Michael Saylor is almost buying every weekend. And now he's going to issue $2 billion more. Now this time preferred stock. So Michael Saylor is doing it three ways. He's doing it through ATM sales, at the market share sales. He's doing it through convertible bonds. And he's doing it now with preferred stocks. Basically, Michael Saylor wants to be the supermarket for all other institutions who are not able to participate in the Bitcoin market due to their corporate charter or whatever charter that they have to follow. They have to follow rules. If you're a corporate bond mutual fund, you cannot buy Bitcoin. But if you do buy the convertible bonds that Michael Saylor is issuing through MicroStrategy, then you're using MicroStrategy to get into the Bitcoin market, right? So that's why this is called the Saylor Bitcoin Gambit, Bitcoin's 42 billion corporate strategist. And now he's going to do preferred stock. Well, there are funds or corporations who can only invest in preferred stock. So he's becoming a proxy or a conduit for all these other corporations or institutions who cannot invest directly in Bitcoin. They're not allowed to, but then he's creating all these products for them to invest. And what is he doing with the money? A lot of people are calling this Ponzi, okay? I don't think it is, but everybody is entitled to their opinion. He's issuing all these different products who other institutions can come and invest in, and they are doing it so far. So a lot of people say, well, what happens if he doesn't buy Bitcoin anymore? I'm like, I don't know, and we'll find out, because time will come for that too, I'm pretty sure. Will it go down? Probably, because is he the only one buying, by the way? No, right? There are many other companies now following in his footsteps at a much smaller size. So the conclusion in this article was, Michael Saylor's strategy is undeniably bold. I agree. By leveraging convertible bonds and embracing Bitcoin as a corporate asset class, he has redefined how companies can approach treasury management in the digital age. I agree. So he's borrowing all this money. He's doing the stock sales. Is he diluting shareholders? Yes, but he's replacing whatever the dilution is in Bitcoin. I mean, obviously, this is a Bitcoin proxy. And if you don't believe in Bitcoin, you should not touch MicroStrategy. And my final word about this is, do not trade Bitcoin. There's many surrogates. You guys will see my positions now in a minute when I put them up. There's many surrogates and proxies of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is one. Then there's 2x ETFs that you guys can trade, which I'm trading. You should trade MicroStrategy and the ETFs of MicroStrategy as opposed to Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin, you buy, you hold, you put it in your cold wallet, you buy some more, or you want to keep it on an exchange. I'm doing it through Coinbase, I have a referral link. If you use my link and open an account to buy some crypto, I think we both get some cash. No big deal. But yeah, that's what he's doing. A lot of people are saying it's a Ponzi. I don't think it's a Ponzi. It would be Ponzi if he was paying the new investors with all investor money, like Madoff did. He's taking the money in, literally immediately he's going buying Bitcoin with it. And I have done some calculations. There are a couple of videos I already did. If Bitcoin goes to 200,000, what is the price of MicroStrategy? I think today it's like 330, 340. You guys will see those numbers. I mean, figure it out. It's not that hard to figure out. And I'm religiously following something called MNAV, multiple to net asset value. I'm figuring out how many. At the moment, MicroStrategy holds about 450,000 Bitcoin. All you have to do is multiply that times the Bitcoin price, and then go see how many shares outstanding there are, and you can figure out the MNAV. I've done videos explaining that multiple times.